Oh, there it is.
Did you hear that one?
Huh?
Hold on. Okay. Come here. Hello. Mom.
There she goes.
Come on.
Whoop.
Retreat.
Back this way. Hey, seriously, where are you going?
Oh, Cookie, did you fart? Something smells over here. Goodbye.
Oh, look at that one's playing.
Like, how do I keep on getting back here?
Wait, what?
Look at her. She's like, what the heck?
Hi, Cookie. Oh, hello.
And retreat. Oh gosh, there's so many coming at me now. Oh, that's the one yesterday.
Yeah.
Mary, be careful. That one can choke.
Hi, boo-boos.
Oh, it's okay. Mom, no, it isn't.
Yeah. Slow your roll, kitty.
Mom, look at Harry. Look at that. Look at that.
It's like a proud little walk. Do 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 do. Hi, baby.
Look. I can.
Oh gosh. Oh, a good cookie.
Oh. That was, Mom, that sounded like one of the screaming plants.
Yeah. Are you okay, baby?
Mom, one thing's going through the hole over here. Henry, no. Mom, look at Henry.
Hey, silly, there's food right here. That's your baby food.
Nope, we must not pass. Mom, look at Henry. Let me through, let me through, let me through. Nope.
That was a good cookie. Good cookie.
There's 3 coming at the same time.
Yes, good cookies. Good cookies.
No, Mom, look. Help me. They're coming. When the saints come marching around. Meow. Oh, sorry, Mouth. Mom, are you watching this little one?
Yeah. He's like, I'm gonna go. I'm going for it.
They're probably like, giant. Oh, come here. Captain seat. No, captain seat right here. I love little Henry. He walks on this tippy toes.
Yeah.
Mom, look at him. On this tippy
He's so
toes.
dainty.
Following
And then we have this cutie one right here.
Mom, look, they all cannot pass. No pass. No pass. No must pass. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then where's the other one? We're missing.
Over here.
Oh, there's Henry. Mom, look, they're all sneaking by like doo-doo-doo. Hey.
Bloop, bloop, like a little bunny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it this time. The tail is so straight up.
Mom, look.
Aww. I love the hop.
Here, get Henry.
Come on, Henry.
Go on. Come here. Oh, okay, little one. Hey, you. Mom, yours is doing the bunny hop, but in the back legs. Only the back legs. Look at it. Look. Dum, dum. It can't pick up its back butt end. They're both coming for me. They're coming for me.
Hey, little one, you seriously are gonna hurt yourself.
No, that's the other one. That's not the same gray one. It's that big, fluffy gray one that keeps on eating the. Whoa! Oh, look at them like, hello there. Oh, your butt. They're just like, oh, butt.
Sister, not my butt. Henry. Henry!
What's Henry doing?
Creeping.
Where at?
Behind this.
Mom, look,
Okay.
look, you just missed the cuteness.
Oh, Henry on the loose. I'm gonna make it this time.
He's like, oh, man. Mom needs to her like, ah. You're going to my lap. I can't control all of you. You know what? You're going to my lap. You're the most running one. There you go. Mom, look at Henry. This one right here, Mom, gets scared of little sweet scratches.
Well, you're back again.
Henry. All right, Mom. Try to get him, okay?
I'm gonna pause this in a moment. Henry. Hi, Henry. Oh. Hi, baby. Let's see what he does. And go.
You're just smart. Mom, look, she's like, oh, it's fine. Okay, Henry.
Aww.
What one was that? It sounded like one of the gray ones.
It was.
Look at yours, Mom. Henry.
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, they're all there. Okay.